Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I just got a cabin air filter. It is from Puroma. It's a 2-pack, and it's for my Toyota Highlander 2016. And the filter goes behind the glove compartment. So I'm going to go ahead and take the old filter out and put the new one in. So let's go ahead and take a look. I had no idea that there was a filter behind there until I did some reading. And you got to take the glove compartment out. I'll go ahead and get that. And there's a little plate right here you take out, and then you slide the old filter out here. All right, if you can get a close-up look right here, this is the old filter, and there's some seeds and leaves in there. Really dirty, and the whole thing is just coming apart. So we're going to go ahead and install a new filter in. And like I said, this comes with a 2-pack. And yeah, just all positive reviews on this. Here is the arrow. It says to go up, and that was the same direction as this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and slide that in. I'm going to open the door here for a minute. And I'm going to slide that in right here. Just like that. And once you get that in there, then you put your plate on. And you're good to go. So once again, that is the cabin air filter that's from Puroma. And they're high efficiently, high density, long lasting, and easy to install. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.